New at noon, did you know black men are 50% more likely to develop prostate cancer in their lifetime and twice as likely to die from the disease? A local chapter of Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated is trying to curb prostate cancer mortality with an event this weekend. And joining us live to tell us more about the event is Ray Shoemaker with the Omega Mu Mu chapter of Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated. How are you doing this afternoon, Ray?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing all right. So how startling are the statistics when it comes to black men and prostate cancer?
You know, they're very startling. They're very scary. The difference is that there's a higher rate of incidence in our black communities, and we're trying to communicate with our communities about the prostate cancer issues and how to deal with the awareness, treatment, and the entire modalities of dealing with prostate cancer.
So now tell us about your second annual prostate cancer awareness event that is actually coming up on this Saturday. First, let's talk about the walk.
Okay. So we have a walk. Our walk is in Tupelo, Mississippi. Our walk will start at the Park Hill Dynasty, and that walk starts at 7 a.m. We're going to walk from 7 to 8. It's a power walk. It's a walk to remember those that have gone on as a result of this disease, but also to talk more about the interventions and those things associated with educating our community as it relates to prostate cancer.
And when it comes to educating the community, who are you going to have at the event that can be able to help inform the general public, you know, women as well as men who are coming to the event?
You know, one of the most important things we think in terms of having there is we will have survivors. We'll have survivors there to talk about their story. We'll have spouses. We'll have medical professionals to talk about the early detection, the treatment. We'll have those that will talk about the mental health component after being diagnosed with prostate cancer. So we want to pull in the entire gamut and really talk about, and we say, let's talk about it. And our goal is to make sure we have that full spectrum of individuals there to talk about prostate cancer.
And finally, what is your hope? What is the one takeaway that you want people to remember from this event?
The takeaway is early detection. The takeaway is to get your screening. The takeaway is to let's talk about it. And so our goal is if we can save one life, as a Omega Psi Phi fraternity, Omega Mu Mu chapter, we've done our job. But we hope also there's a groundswell of information that people go out and encourage others to get that screening. And so that's the takeaway, to continue to communicate the importance of just early detection.
All right, then thank you so much there, Ray Shoemaker, for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you for having me.
There's an urgent